UFP really helped me out.
Okay.
Open up my eyes. All right. Also saved me a lot of time reading on Forex. I mean, the price that to pay and to get this type of knowledge, I think is superb. You can get it elsewhere. I started in January 15. I started to put in my real money inside, 200. And I think my account right now is 531. Can you see? Can you see clearly?
Yep.
It's worth it.
Alright, once again everybody, Ezone Constantine right here, and today's program right here is activated to you by Ultimate Forex Program and powered to you by Quant Solutions. So I'm right here with our special guest today. Can we say hi to Kevyn Chia right here? How are you, Kevyn?
I'm doing great, and hope you guys are doing well too. My name is Kevyn. I'm actually from Penang, and I am a small business owner dealing with a lot of healthcare industry. Supplying the hand disinfectant, the floor guard, anything to the hospital. So for this time in COVID-19, so we are really busy. I mean, we get calls every now and then, asking for the hand sanitizers and stuff like that.
Again, right here, coronavirus is really create a lot of panic in the entire world, and that's why we see one of the financial market that hit a lot is stock market. Hit
Right.
badly all around the world, including Malaysia. Bursa Malaysia was hit badly as well. But what happened right here? Forex is remaining cool, regardless market up or
Exactly.
down, coronavirus, you still can make money. Anyway, Kevyn, a lot of people
Yes.
right here interested to know why you want to trade Forex at the first hand, and actually how many years you experience. Are you really newbie?
I tell you, Forex, I don't have any idea
Yeah, okay.
until
All
I
right.
joined the UFP, I think in December. 2 days practical, 2 days theory, and then is
Mm-hmm.
it 2 days practical or something like that? That
Right.
was the first time.
Yeah.
Until I joined the UFP program, and you guide us through on the installation on
Right.
our Windows and our, mobile.
Mm-hmm.
Then only I realized that it's actually a platform that you can link back to your brokers.
Right.
I don't even know any brokers until I joined your program.
Mm-hmm.
I learned about
Opening
um,
account.
brokers
Right.
and how to avoid scams and stuff like that. Both my wife and I, we have been doing trading in the KLSE.
Stock market. Bursa
Yes.
Malaysia.
Yeah, I think that was when I started to diversify
Diversified.
myself with some other funds.
Mm-hmm.
So I was looking into Forex.
Mm-hmm.
And in December, finally, then you gave us the UFP program. I started in January 15. I started to put in my real money inside, 200. And I think my account right now is 531.
Mm-hmm. So that's mean you're making extra $330. That is almost
Yeah.
150% ROI. For me, that is really, really amazing.
Okay. One thing if it's newbie, I think UFP will definitely help you out.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And of course, going through the course, like what I did,
Mm-hmm.
prepare me of what I'm going to see
Mm-hmm.
in what is going to happen in the forex market. For instance, the sleep age, risk management that is going to help you to be a successful forex trader. All right, how to avoid margin call.
Good.
That is the most important thing. All right.
Very good.
Now, 12th of December
Right.
until January 14, I was actually taking 10,000 demo account to
Right.
try it out.
So it's
All right.
important to start with demo account first, right?
Right. For newbies outside, what I'm going to say is that the market will kill you if you do not know how to control your emotions.
Correct.
All
Yeah,
right.
you're right.
Emotions is the key, and UFP program is going to guide you properly, teaching you, telling you, and showing you on how you can control that emotion of yours to be a successful trader. For the final week that I with my demo account,
Right.
I purposely let it get hit a margin call.
So you want to know how does it feel?
So yes, how you feel now? Imagine if that is your real money,
Mm-hmm.
okay, under your hard-earned money.
Mm-hmm.
If you do not have a proper risk management.
Mm-hmm.
All right, okay, it's going to wipe out everything.
Correct. So that's mean it's not about how much money that you have. Maybe you start $10,000 or 100,000, small, big, regardless. But it's actually the skills and the way how you manage that money. Is that what you experience? It's
Exactly,
important, right?
exactly. That
Mm-hmm.
is really, really important. FP really helped me out. You
Right.
know, open up my eyes. All
Mm-hmm.
right, and also saved me a lot of time reading on forex.
Right.
And I mean, the price that to pay and to get this type of knowledge, I
Mm-hmm.
think is superb.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Right.
you can get it elsewhere, and you
Mm-hmm.
can do a revision on it. You know, at any place, any time
Mm-hmm.
that you're comfortable with.
Mm-hmm.
Even though you're at the airport, or sometimes you can just log in through
Mm-hmm.
your mobile phone, and you can just review what
Mm-hmm.
you have learned. I only focus on GBP Canada,
Mm-hmm.
GBP USD, and GBP Japan. So I started with those three
You
pairs.
love volatile pairs, right? You love that
Yes,
swing high and low.
exactly. So
Right.
only on those three pairs,
Mm-hmm.
which I think I hit almost another 123.
Yeah.
If you can see,
You
if
want to
you can
show?
see,
Yeah, a bit in
yeah,
front. You can put in front of the
yes,
camera. We can see.
right. Can you see? Can you see clearly?
Yep. Yep. We
So
can see that.
yes, only the GBP Canada, GBP USD.
Right.
That is another 123 profit for that week itself.
Right. Awesome.
123. So those are the pairs that I think brought me a lot of profit. All
Right.
right. To be frank, I avoid GBP Kiwi.
These too
I
volatile,
cannot
right?
handle, I cannot handle that
Why?
stress, by
It's a
looking at
while.
it, pop, 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 it's like my heartbeat. I mean, I start to skip those pairs. I think Doris is coming in. Yeah. Oh,
No
come
problem.
in, come on in, come on
Yeah.
in.
Come on in.
Yeah.
How are you?
So
All right.
this,
So this is okay. So those who are watching right here, this is the Doris right here, wife to Kevin. You guys are just awesome. You know, just like less than 1 month, you're able to pick up already. You get the core. That is really brilliant. Congratulations on Kevin. Yeah, 150% ROI in just 1 month plus. Good job.
thank you, thank you.
So I have one question to both of you right here. What is your next plan right here to take your trade? Like, okay, of course, right now you get the skills right here. You grow your money already up to $500. Do you have the plan to continue grow this $500 to the next level? Or at the same time, you slowly add in more capital, slowly inject more capital? What is your plan, guys?
No, my plan is not. We will not inject any capital inside there.
Right?
But what we're gonna do is that from 200, we actually managed to grow to 400,
Mm-hmm.
and then 400, we're gonna go to 800. That
Right.
is our plan. So
Right.
800 is gonna go to 1,006, 1,006, 3,002, and
Right.
6,004.
Right.
That
Pound
is
it.
what, yeah, compounding. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So that is what we intend to do. But
Right.
of course, when we reach up to maybe 5,000, we
Mm-hmm.
want to take our capital. UFP programs are actually designed to train you to be a trader
Mm-hmm.
rather than being a gambler. And
Right.
gambling, you last for months. You can have 2 weeks of good luck, and the rest it will be bad luck.
Mm-hmm.
We won't know. All right, but trading is trying to teach you to be a disciplined man,
Mm-hmm.
and do a proper cut loss, have a cut loss plan,
Mm-hmm.
and also risk management plan,
Mm-hmm.
and things like that. And that will generate you income for the rest of your life.
Now,
Right.
let other people out there know that you still face loss as well, right? Because a lot of people thought that by learning here is all 100% gonna make money all the time. Tell them the truth, Kevin.
Again, I'm going to show you the screen that you
Yeah.
can see last 4 or 5 trades there. I'm actually,
Oh yeah.
it's a
Oh yeah,
loss
that's
to
good.
me.
We can see that.
It's
Okay.
a loss, it's a loss to me, but
Yep.
at least I do have my, all these are actually stop loss.
Right.
It's not something that you can avoid losses. All
Right.
right, but as long as you have the proper risk management,
Mm-hmm.
all right, and you set everything, you go into the trade, every single trade, you
Mm-hmm.
go into it, you have stop loss
Mm-hmm.
and things like that, that will teach you and will guide you to be a successful traders. I don't open a lot of trade. If I open more trades, it's going to take up my margin.
So share with us a little bit. You want to know, your style of trading.
If you can see, actually, all these are actually under my desk behind.
Right.
That all these patterns,
Right. Good.
these two are the basic patterns that I look at. All right,
Right.
and all right, that's how I go into it using your UFP swing. Okay, but when I'm outside with my phone, all right, I don't have your UFP.
Right. But
Actually,
you're
I don't have.
But you're looking at a candle pattern. Can I say that?
Exactly.
Pure price action,
Exactly.
right? Japanese candlestick, right? Yep.
Exactly.
So you're a big fan of hanging man. I can see that. Either
Yes.
hanging man. I'm talking about either inverse hammer or hanging man at the top. This is one of the
Yeah.
pattern that you love the most, right?
That is the most profitable. Another pattern is single patterns. Once it break out from the resistance or port and things like that, that is where you go in. In UFP, we are taught to follow the trend.
Yes. Follow the
Don't
bigger
go.
trend. Remember that?
Yeah, don't go against the trend.
Yes.
Usually, what I did is that I go from a higher time frame, all right, and I will kneel down to a lower time frame, okay, to pinpoint on the precise entries.
So
Okay.
did you look at daily chart first, H4 chart?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
You look at a trend,
I
bigger
will
trend.
usually start from a daily chart.
Okay.
All right. But over here, the month I think is difficult to see. So daily, at least I can see what is coming in. Whether is it on the downtrend or is it on the uptrend,
Right.
or is it on the sideways trend or things like that.
Okay.
Then I will go down to the H4 chart to look at it. And once I see, either there's a harami or a doji or something like that, then I will, go down to the lower time frame to predict whether should I go in or should I not go in. UFP hidden swing, I think it works beautifully. When you use a higher time frame.
So your triggered time frame to trigger for your entry, right?
Yes.
Because you trade a lot with the
Yeah.
GBP pairs, right?
Yes, exactly.
Right. What is your
Because
stop loss normally?
no GBP, I usually put it at about 50 pips.
How about
All
your
right.
how about your TP then? Your take profit.
And usually it's about 50 to 60 pips. I started off small, okay. For instance, like every week, okay. That is my plan. I have my plan, in me that
Right.
For that account of $500 account size right now that I have, okay. Maybe I want to have at least 500 pips, winning 500 pips a week. Okay, that is my target. But if that doesn't happen, as long as I have proper risk management, okay, I'm happy with it.
Right. And people want to know right here, Kevin, because what happens to you is morning, and sometimes you have your appointment, you meeting clients, things like that. But how do you manage your time in trading?
I usually started off early in the morning, like probably about 8 to 9 Asian side.
Right.
All right, then I will not look into it until like about 2 to 3 o'clock.
Okay.
There before the Europe market starts. Then about after dinner, like probably about 7, 8 o'clock, before the US markets start, there's kind of some little bit minor volatile period. That's when I look at it and I see whether I can sit down behind me and do my swing.
Right. So, but if you're not in front of your laptop, did you do mostly pending order?
Yes.
So if it is
Exactly.
hit, automatically stop loss, TP, all is set there. Smart.
If I'm sitting behind there, then I will do a market execution.
And all you learn right here just from this UFP 2 months plus, and you know how to, set your MT4 already.
Exactly.
It's
Otherwise,
all inside there, right?
it's all inside there. So I encourage those people that if you think that you're gonna find you need some money, additional money. Isn't that great to make? Like for instance, to me, actually, if I look into an overall picture of how I do my trading, I can basically see that within one hour, I could easily make like maybe $10. If the trade really goes the right direction. Like if you do a 50 pips on a 001, you probably get five
$5.
US dollars. Depends on Yeah, and if you get two trades, if you do a 002,
Mm-hmm. Get
you know,
$10.
if it's really going up the chart, I mean, less than what, 5 minutes, you can hit your $10 US dollar. It's just 40 ringgit.
That's it for the day.
Yeah, exactly. Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
There
It's
you
all
go.
covered.
You get some money for gas as well.
Exactly. So I did use your UFP to do position trade for 1 to 2 weeks. February,
Mm-hmm.
I did a position for about 3 weeks. That was my
How
longest.
many hundred pips
Yes.
you make, Kevin?
And it reached, I think, about almost 500, but
Wow.
actually I didn't close
500
it.
pips.
I didn't close it.
Wow.
And then I see your color and I see your this one is actually coming down close to about 50 EMA or something like that already. Then I cabut.
You take
So
a
I
profit.
hit about 370 pips, I think.
Still not too bad, right?
Yeah, it was good. So for newbies, if they are joining your UFP program, I mean, such a mentor like you know, that are able to guide them and have workshop, and we would like to thank you
Yep.
for a very
Sure.
great mentor to us. We learned a lot of things.
I think a housewife especially should learn it up. Yes, because you don't have to go to office. You don't have a time frame that you have to committed to leave your house. You can do it anytime. Even moms that's driving, they can do it in the car.
Right. You're right.
It's a skill that anyone can learn up.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to worry about the future. It comes 50, 55, you need to retire.
That's true.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just take your time, keeps on learning.
That's the reason I gotta tell you all here why we create UFPs. Not just trading strategies, not just money management and mindset. It's actually beyond than that. We want to see people change life. And I gotta tell to all the audience right here, all the YouTube, Facebook viewers right here, Kevin and Doris, really from deep my heart right here and all my teams, I really love to see the progress from both of you for the next 5 years, for the next 10 years. And hopefully, if everything is okay, this is going to be one of your financial freedom, your income, money machine that is going to help you for your family and for your lifestyle. That is
Exactly.
what I have to both of you every single day.
Thank you.
My prayer to
And
both
we'll
of you.
pray the same.
Yes,
All of us
yes,
in the UFP classmates,
right.
they will be successful as well.
Yes.
So none of us will be left out, and especially to our mentor as well. We'll keep you in all of you all in our
Yep.
praise.
Yep. All right, so thank you very much, everybody. We come already to an end right here. For those who want to get to know more, there's a button right here, probably left, right, front, probably down button right here below. Click learn more or click send message right here, and you get a chance to know more right after this. So once again, Doris and Kevin, thank you very much for your time. I wish you all have a great day. Enjoy trading, stay calm, and have a great day, guys. Bye.
you.
See you guys
Good
later.
night.
Bye.
Bye.